Welcome to Impact. Headlines. Key climate summit in Dubai. President Wickremesinghe leads 80-member delegation. India's slowing inflation drives growth. UK economic growth significantly cut. This week, world leaders will attend the World Climate Action Summit in Dubai. At the event, they will focus on implementation and transformation of key climate-related decisions into concrete actions and credible plans, raising ambitions as well as commitment on climate change issues. Impact on Sri Lanka. President Ranil Wickremesinghe is leading an 80-member delegation to the Gulf country. In Dubai, Sri Lanka will host its first-ever pavilion where it is set to spearhead multiple climate-related policies and lobbies. Presidential climate change advisor Ruwan Wijewardena told the Sunday Times that the country is focusing on the Tropical Belt Initiative, the Climate Justice Forum, and the International Climate Change University, adding that the Tropical Belt Initiative would be used to press developed countries to invest in more green initiatives like renewable energy and green technology for countries in the Tropical Belt. A decline in international crude oil prices will help control India's inflationary pressures going forward, according to the country's finance ministry. Retail inflation eased in October to a 4-month low of 4.87%. It previously added that India's fiscal position remains solid, with steady revenue growth and headline inflation likely to remain within the target band. A recent Reuters poll projected India to be the fastest-growing major economy this fiscal year. Impact on Sri Lanka. A growing Indian economy aids Sri Lanka's recovery and prospects. India accounts for about 65 to 70% of Colombo Port's transshipment volumes. Further, India is now Sri Lanka's largest tourist source market. Higher discretionary spending power of its citizens boosts the local economy. The UK economic growth forecast for the next 2 years was significantly slashed. The Office for Budget Responsibility cut its prediction to 0.7% and 1.4% for 2024 and 2025, down from its previous forecast of 1.8% and 2.5%. It cited inflation taking longer to fall and that interest rates are higher than its forecast. It added that UK living standards were expected to be 3.5% lower in 2024 to 25 than their pre-pandemic level. Impact on Sri Lanka. This is not favourable news for Sri Lanka. The UK is Sri Lanka's second largest export and tourism source market. Economic growth in the UK is vital to increase goods demanded from Sri Lanka. Further, rising UK citizens' discretionary spending is crucial to encourage their foreign travel, required to benefit multiple industries in Sri Lanka.